Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
According to latest reports, India is set to retire the Russian-made Vympel R-77 Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air system across all its Russian origin fighter fleet by 2021 to 2022. The Controller and Auditor General had said that half of the tested systems did not home in on targets during evaluations or failed the ground tests, because the R-77 were aging much before their shelf life. The CAG had also questioned the Indian Navy for buying the same Vympel R-77 for its Mig-29K, despite having adverse observations about its serviceability by the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force has already got rid of older stocks due to high rate of unserviceability and decided against refurbishing the missiles. The Indian Air Force is counting on the mass production and induction of indigenously developed Astra air-to-air systems to replace the R-77 from its inventory, and is also planning to procure the IDERBY Extended Range Beyond Visual Range air-to-air systems with a range of 100 kilometers, and also integrate the MBDA's Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air systems in its Su-30 fighter jets. According to latest reports, Russia have offered a customizable Mig-35 to the Indian Air Force to grab 114 fighter jets tender. Russia has recently simplified the specification of its Mig-35 for export to reduce procurement costs by prospective customers, but it is open to add more capabilities to meet the requirements of Indian Air Force. Russia has offered the integration of advanced missiles and Indian-developed systems, including the RD-33 OVT engine, which is equipped with 360 degrees adjustable thrust vectoring engines to provide super maneuverability. Russia has also offered its Phazotron's UK radar, modern electro-optics system with distributed apertures, advanced active jamming pods, infrared search and track system and other capabilities borrowed from the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter program. The chairman and managing director of Bharat Electronics Limited has said that the Indian Air Force had used the EW equipment developed by Bharat Electronics to trace the Pakistani fighter jets during the Balakot operations, and it helped in capturing the electronic signatures of Pakistani fighter jets. He also added that the firm has received initial orders worth $17 million from Thales, as part of the offset expected from Dassault Aviation under the 36 Rafale fighter jets deal, and there will be more orders in the coming days. After taking charge as the new defense minister, Rajnath Singh immediately held a meeting with the top military officials, and the defense secretary and several other senior officials of the ministry were also present at the meeting. He also visited the National War Memorial in New Delhi and paid tribute to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives for the country. The Defense Ministry has prepared a detailed presentation for the newly appointed Defense Minister, in which the three services are expected to project their modernization requirements, which includes modern carbines for the Indian Army, modernization of the Air Defense and Armored Corps, the clearance of Project 75I, 114 modern fighter jets tender, and airborne early warning and control aircraft.